Despite its name, Spanish moss isn't really a moss at all. It's actually a flowering plant that resembles a stringy vine that hangs from the branches of live oaks and other large trees. It prefers and thrives best in warmer, humid climates, and therefore it can be found most abundantly in subtropical coastal regions in the southeastern United States, such as Texas and Florida, and as far north as about Northampton County, Virginia. There are no edible uses for Spanish moss really, and there's no medically approved uses either, but that doesn't make it useless in the least. Spanish moss has been and is still used to this day by Native American tribes who strip it down to its black fiber core and then use this thread to make various items such as clothes and blankets. It was also used in the Civil War as saddle pads for cavalry soldiers. In folk magic, Spanish moss has a very long history of being used as a filling for making dolls for magical purposes. Aside from that, it's also typically used for darker magic such as binding your enemies, and it's also a common ingredient in war water. So if you're looking to craft a nice absorbent organic blanket where you need to put your enemies in their place, Spanish moss might be the answer. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.